If you've ever tried to pull data from Reddit programmatically, you already know the frustration. Reddit shut down free API access for most use cases, and scraping it yourself means wrestling with authentication flows, rate limits, and blocks after just a handful of requests. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get live Reddit data, posts, comments, subreddit info, user profiles, everything, using ScrapeBadger's Reddit Scraper API with a single, clean API call. ScrapeBadger offers a free trial with no credit card required. You get 1,000 free credits right away, which is plenty to explore everything we're covering today. So let's start by creating an account. You can sign up with Google, GitHub, or just your email. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, and those 1,000 free credits are already there. The first thing to do is grab your API key. Let's create a new one. I'll call it Reddit-test and hit Create Key. Now head over to the Scraper section and select the Reddit Scraper. This is where it gets interesting. You're looking at 22 endpoints total, organized into 4 groups: search, posts, subreddits, and users. Let me walk you through what each section gives you. Under search, you have 4 endpoints. Search posts lets you find posts across all of Reddit or within a specific subreddit. Search subreddits lets you discover communities by keyword. Search users finds Reddit accounts by name. And domain posts returns every post that links to a specific website, really useful for brand monitoring or competitive research. Under posts, you've got trending posts, which pulls what's hot on Reddit's front page right now. Get post fetches full details for any post by ID. Post comments returns the entire nested comment tree. You can control depth up to 10 levels deep. And post duplicates finds all cross posts of any given post. The subreddit section has 7 endpoints covering metadata, post listings, rules, wiki pages, and listings of popular and new subreddits. And users gives you 5 endpoints: profile info, submitted posts, comment history, moderated subreddits, and even a user's trophy case. Now let's actually run something. I'll start with search posts, probably the most popular endpoint here. Select your API key and type your search term into the Q field. I'll search for something practical. Let's say Python tutorial. In the parameters, I'll set sort to top so we get the highest voted results, and set the time filter T to week so we're looking at the past 7 days. I'll leave limit at 25 and subreddit empty so it searches all of Reddit. Let's execute. Look at what came back. Each post object gives you the title, author, subreddit, score, upvote ratio, number of comments, the URL it links to, when it was posted, and a full permalink. You also get the file type field, that T3 prefixed ID, which you can pass directly into the post comments endpoint to pull the full discussion thread for any of these results. Now let me show you that second call. Take one of those post IDs, jump to post comments, paste it in, and set depth to 3. Execute. The response comes back as a full nested tree. Each comment has the body text, author, score, depth level, creation timestamp, and a replies array with the child comments nested right inside. You can go as deep as 10 levels. If you're building a sentiment analysis tool, a content aggregator, or anything that needs to understand what people are actually saying about a topic, this is your data source. We also have MCP server, so you can drop this straight into your own AI project. Full documentation with all parameters and response schemas is at our website. That's the Reddit Scraper API. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Hope this saved you some time. See you in the next one.